Dreaming of visiting Spain? Your journey begins here.
Prepare your essential documents: passport, ID card, and family registration certificate.
If you're married, bring your marriage certificate and a white background passport-size photo.
A bank statement with 8 to 10 lakh closing balance and an account maintenance certificate is required. For business owners, bring your NTN and the last 2 years' income tax returns.
For job holders, provide your employment letter and last 3 salary slips.
Processing time is usually 1 to 2 months. We handle the rest for you. Bring your documents to Arham Consultancy. Leave the stress to us. With Allah's will, your success is our mission.
Visit our office today.